Okay, what we're going to show today is we're going to actually show attachment with the riser tag, which has some magnets on each end attached to a pipe, and we're going to show the riser tag with the adhesive attached to a pipe, and we're going to show two techniques. We're going to show a technique which you've seen before where we basically overcoat the entire tag with the TROI adhesive paint. But we're also going to show a technique that's probably interesting for tubular, where what you do is add the tag, but you only place adhesive around the edges so that you can come along later and remove the tag after you're done with the in-process use. Now the parts for the temporary, again, you start with either the magnetic attached tag or the adhesive attached tag, and we'll go through the procedure. You use simple cleaning tools, a brush, wire brush, not very elaborate. And for adhesive, you tend to use a flexible adhesive. It can be a goop derivative, like automotive or marine goop, and it comes in cartridges. Or it can be the high temperature silicone by Permatex. These are all commercially available. TRI offers them, but they are available for the short attachment in use tag that you can reuse. And again, we're going to start that process now. Okay, again, what we're going to do to begin is we're going to do the attachment where we attach the tag, but we're only going to put adhesive on the ends. And again, this is intended to be later removed, and we'll show that in the next few days once we dry. So the first technique is magnetic tag, and of course you'll want to clean the surface, and it really doesn't require much more than brushing. Or you can take a wire brush and remove the loose materials. Then you merely take the tag, you attach it either in this direction, or you can attach it in this direction. And the same with the adhesive tag. You remove the adhesive backing and you attach it similarly. Then you take each of the tags and you take the adhesive and you place a bead around the edge. Okay. Now if you come in close, you can see these are now attached. Now obviously, if you think there's going to be a requirement, you can add the bead of adhesive around the entire tag, and the process of removing them when they're dry is basically relieve the adhesive. It's a flexible rubber adhesive. Either this or the silicone adhesive are flexible rubber adhesives, and that's really the key. So these can be left on, and then again we'll make a video next week. These have been in service. We'll bring them back and we'll remove them with a knife. Thank you. Okay, now what we're going to do, we just showed the temporary tag. We're now going to show the permanently coated tag with the Technologies ROI adhesive paint. You notice that the chambers are divided. you attach the mixing chamber tube. You bolt it back on. This is now ready for use, and it can be resealed and used again. Now we're going to come over here, and we're going to clean off the surface. And we're going to take the magnetic tag, and we'll attach that. And we'll take the adhesive tag, and we'll attach that. Now this is very important. When you start to mix this, you want to waste the first section so that the adhesive is mixed, because remember, it's mixing in this chamber. Then you add the adhesive, to the tag, and you take a brush and you just brush around the tag. And that's it. Less than a minute, you've added the tag permanently. This one will dry within a few hours to the touch, and in 24 hours it can be in full service, but it can be moved around even now. But again, within a few hours it's dried to the touch. The temporary solution is dried to the touch in about half an hour, but again, both of these require 24 hours. So we have a temporary solution that can be reused and removed, and we have the permanent solution that can go in service, the bottom of the ocean, the oil fields in Alaska, the deserts of Saudi Arabia. This is an industrial adhesive that is used for Navy ships and oil pipes around the world. Thank you.